Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Yasin Kocha. Today I'm going to show you how to install an operating system in a virtualized environment using a program called VirtualBox. We are going to start with Windows Server 2008, then we'll install Windows Vista, and then finally we'll connect both of them to a network so they could see each other and share information. First of all, we'll need to download and install two programs. The first is Oracle VirtualBox for the installing of the operating system, and Daemon Tools for creating a bootable image file so that the VirtualBox can read it. I already have these two programs, so we'll go right into Daemon Tools and start creating our ISO file. Okay, when you have loaded Daemon Tools, you'll see Edit Image. You click on that, and now what you need to do is drag the files in to this area, as you'll see. After you've dragged them in, you'll need to save the image, so click on Save Image, rename, we'll name it to Windows Server 2008. Select the output format as standard ISO and click OK. This will create your ISO file, which we will be using in the next step when we are installing our operating system. After you've created your ISO file, you'll need to open up Oracle VirtualBox, and now we'll create our VM. So we'll click on New. You'll see the virtual machine wizard pop up. You'll click on Next and give your VM a name. We'll name ours Windows Server VER 2008. We'll set the version to Windows 2008 and click on Next. It will ask you to enter base memory. We'll use default settings for this as well as everything else. So next, create. Now this will create a blueprint for our VM itself. We'll then need to power on the machine. And it should prompt us to enter our bootable medium. However, it was not found. What you need to do when you get this error, you need to close off your VM itself. Close it off, go to Settings, go to Storage, and under your IDE controller, you see your bootable medium here. Right now it's empty. It can't find the ISO file. So what you need to do is click on this icon here next to CD DVD drive under Attributes. It reads Set up a virtual CD or DVD drive. You click on that. Now you choose a virtual CD or DVD file. We will choose our ISO or bootable image file and click OK. Now when we power on our machine again, it should read our ISO file and the installation process should begin, as you see here. Okay, we'll leave the language to English. We'll click on Next, Install Now. We'll select Windows 2008 Enterprise and click Next. I accept the license term, click Next, use the custom setting. You'll now need to select where you want to install Windows. We'll select our disk drive here, click Next. It will now copy your files and install your features and updates and complete the installation. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes, so we'll pause the video here and come back. Okay, as you can see, my installation is now being completed, so we'll give this a couple more seconds to finish up and we'll move on to the next step. After the installation, your VM will reboot and you should see your operating system starting to load up. It will then prompt you to enter a new password. Click on OK and it should start preparing our desktop. There we go. We have successfully installed Windows Server 2008 on our virtual machine. In the next video, we'll install Windows Vista and we'll set up a network and try to get both Windows Vista and Windows Server 2008 to communicate with each other.